Hi everyone, my name is Rachel Kauppila and I am the Employment and Career Specialist here at Vermont Works for Women. And today my quick tip for you is about tracking your expenses. So a lot of times when I am working with women on employment and helping them find a job, finances comes up and people have a lot of stress around finances, around making ends meet, paying their bills, saving for goals, the whole gamut. So the number one suggestion that I have for every woman that comes in and talks to me about finances is spending a period of time tracking your expenses. So this means writing down every single thing that you spend money on during a period of time. So it could be a week, it could be a month, and this just allows you to get really into the details of exactly where every dollar you have is going. How often you spend money on things, how much you're spending on things. And once you have this lay of the land, you're able to make decisions from an informed position and set goals and then meet your goals on saving and on making sure that your spending is really aligning with your values. So how do you do this? So there are a couple different ways to do this. The simplest is grab a notebook, write it down. I like the app mint.com. I've had it for years. It's an app on my phone, and then I can get to it on my computer, and it allows you to categorize your spending in a really detailed way. And then there are spreadsheets. So you could use a spreadsheet like this one to get a really good picture of where your money is going every day. These are pre-categorized, but if these categories don't work for you, then you can make up your own categories. And the important thing is to add it up at the end of the week, at the end of the month, and see exactly how much money you're spending. Sometimes what will happen when we add up how much we're spending in a given category is we'll find out we're actually spending a lot more in a place that we're not really happy about. And some people call that a spending leak. So we have made up this worksheet that is called Plug Your Spending Leaks. So you can see here, this person is buying a cup of coffee every day. Over the course of a month, that ends up being $90. Over the year, it's over $1,000. And so you really want to make sure when you add that money up that you feel good about spending $1,000 on a cup of coffee. And if you do, that's great. That's where your priorities are. That's where your values lie. And that's fine. But if it doesn't really align, then you can make a change. So the place to start, though, is tracking your spending. So whether you do that in your notebook, you take an envelope, put all your receipts in it, you get an app like mint.com, however you do it, track your spending, know where your money's going, and then you can set goals and make decisions to better manage your money. I hope this was helpful. Reach out to me if you want. My contact information will be posted along with this video, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks.